video. Hello everyone, this is Lily from Gozium. Today I will introduce XCMG hot seal excavator XE215C. This excavator is suitable for earth and stone construction projects such as municipal construction, highway bridges, housing construction, road engineering, farmland water conservancy construction, port construction, and so on. Now I will introduce from following 4 parts. The first part is the engine. XE215C, equipped with Isuzu electronic fuel injection engine, China stage 2 emission, and the rated power is 128.5 kilowatts. You can also choose different brand engines, such as Cummins. The second part is the boom. The boom length is 5,618 millimeter, and the arm length is 2,910 millimeter. A 5,618 millimeter arm length is also available as an option. The max dumping height reaches 6,718 millimeter. The max digging depth is 6,618 millimeter, and the max digging radius is 9,940 millimeter. The third part is a bucket. The standard bucket capacity is 1 cubic meter. Earth-moving buckets or rock buckets can be selected. In addition, various attachments can be fitted, such as quick hatch, hydraulic breakers, log grapples, and so on. The last part is the chassis, which has a total width of 2,990 millimeter, a track length of is 4,255 millimeter. A standard track plate width is 600 millimeter, and the track wheelbase is 3,460 millimeter. XE215C has features of good flexibility, low fuel consumption, high construction efficiency, large digging force, comfortable driving equipment, and a wide range of application. If you like it, welcome to inquiry.